my food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am making Jawari Quiche Puff. Yes, Jawari, which is a gluten-free millet, very healthy and nutritious, and giving variety or adding variety in your diet. With these puffs, you're just going to love it. They are so easy to prepare, and the best part is you can hide as many vegetables variety you want in it, and you can make your family eat those vegetables which they don't like. That is what I do, and I would recommend you also to do it. So let's begin with it. And one more thing, don't forget, I'm also practicing as a dietitian. So if you want my consultation, just go and fill the form below. I will contact you.
So for these delicious healthy bites or sorghum quiche puff, whatever you call, it's truly delicious. I'm going to first take the sorghum or the jawari flour. It's a gluten-free flour and you're going to just love. It has a very grainy texture, you can say. I'm adding salt to it. Some baking powder goes into it. I'm making a bowl of dry ingredient first. So here I've added baking soda, some red chili flakes goes into it, some herbs goes into it. I have added mixed herbs. You can add simple oregano or rosemary, whatever you prefer, sage, and just give it a magic mix so that all the ingredients gets easily mixed up. And now I'm adding the vegetables. So here goes the capsicums, the onions, all are finely chopped. Some mushrooms goes into it, some tomatoes goes into it, that will give the juiciness into it. Some parsley goes into it. So here you can add as many variety of vegetables which you have inside your house. Some oil goes into it, and now I'm going to drop some curd into it. You can add vegan curd even. I have added the normal dairy curd and just give it a mix. I tried to mix with the whipper, but no, I have to mix it with the spoon. It's much easier. So now mix it up properly. A little water is required according to the consistency. It should be like a soft dough. Yes. Can you see the consistency of the mixture? It's like a soft dough. Very soft dough. Now I am going to grease a muffin pan. Meanwhile, my oven is preheating at 190 degrees Celsius. So just grease off all the muffin molds, or you can add paper cups or silicone cups, whatever you feel, and scoop a batter of each and all the muffin molds. That is, you fill up all the muffin molds with a scoop of batter. Just simply fill it up. I love these type of dishes. Why? Because you just mix it up and you put it in the oven and badam, it's ready within 20 to 25 minutes depending upon the type of the dish. No need to look. You can do any other work even. That is the best part of it. And it's a good way of making your family eat those vegetables which they don't like. I have added mushroom. My husband doesn't like mushroom, but I have added in this so he won't be able to make out even. And now I am sprinkling some black sesame seeds. You know it is very good for health. So I am sprinkling some black sesame seed goes into it. You can sprinkle some sunflower seeds also, or pumpkin seeds even, flax seeds. So you can make it as much healthy as much as you want. Some white sesame seeds goes into it. But be careful while you add vegetables. Make it a point to add vegetables in combination. Just don't add the vegetables, all the unwanted vegetables are added. No, it won't taste good. So you have to make a planned way of adding vegetables to it. Just tap it a bit, and I have put it to baking. See, after baking, lovely. Can you see? Lovely crust has formed, lovely golden color crust has formed. What a beautiful color it has taken. And then I'm going to just check it out. See, the toothpick is clean. awesome. So I'm going to let it cool for 10 minutes. So my quiche puff is done. Now why did I call it a quiche? Because when you're going to have it, you're just going to love the flavor of it. It tastes like it's a quiche, but actually it's like a muffin or a puff, you can say. I'm just trying to loosen the sides if they are stuck, and see, beautifully baked. And here I'm trying to take out another one even. See, they're so soft and moist. Perfect recipe for the breakfast. In the morning, we are so busy. So this is one recipe which goes inside the oven and you are free. You can prepare the batter beforehand even if you want, and keep it in the fridge and enjoy it. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make these healthy bites. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.